Hi guys, today I will show you how to uninstall apps from Mac without leaving files. Before I start, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and leave a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to go to the Finder. Then we will go to the Applications folder. Now we will click here and we will look for the application that we want to delete, in my case, FL Studio. Now click on the plus symbol. Here where it says Name, we will change it to System Files. And here we will change it to Are Included. Now we will select absolutely all the files. And we will eliminate them, taking them to the trash. Now, to verify that the application has been eliminated correctly, we will go to the folder of applications and we will verify that it is not there. And as we can see, it is no longer there. If this video helped you, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll be glad to answer you. Thanks.